heroine of our film, Aditya Roy Kapoor, is late because I get ready quicker than him. So he's still... So, yeah. So the truth is I'm the hero, he's the heroine. So he's going to come 15-20 minutes later. Till then, please bear with me. Okay. If that's okay.
So we're also here to announce the dates of this festival called Vayu 2014.
Yo.
And the theme for this festival is youth empowerment. So what according to you is the most important thing in youth empowerment?
I think the most important thing is energy, yeah. I mean, you can see it here. Great. So I know, I mean, I'm also a very energetic person, and I think the most important thing to empower is that the motivation, just the fire that we have in us. So I think we'll wait for Aditya to make official announcements. Let him do his hair and makeup, and so. Okay. So till then we'll have fun till he comes.
Okay, so tell us. Today's Teachers' Day also. How does it feel coming back to college?
Yeah, I'm not your teacher, but please. Oh, they are falling.
Yes.
They have fallen.
In love with you?
No. Thank you guys. You guys are making me feel awesome, really.
Okay, so in this movie, there is a song called Shairana. Okay?
You guys are too cool. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Abhi, मैं question पूछूं, please? मैं question पूछूं, thank you. So, there is a song called Shairana.
Yes.
Okay? Well, how did you feel when you heard that song for the first time?
I thought it was a really sweet song, yeah. And even in the film, you'll see that it comes at a very sweet point in the film. So yeah, it's a...
Aram se, guys. A little easy.
Okay, yeah. So anyway, you guys tell me, what's your favorite song from the film? Mannat. Dawat-e-Ishq. So it's between Mannat and Dawat-e-Ishq. My favorite song is also Dawat-e-Ishq. I think it's the happiest song in the film and just the most energetic song, I think.
But we want to fall in love with Shairana also. So we need 2 lines from Shairana. We need 2 lines.
मेरा गला खराब है मेरा गले में आज.
You need to ask her. Come on.
This is ragging, guys. College में ragging allowed नहीं है.
ठीक है, okay. We'll hear her sing on the radio a little later than after. Thank you. But
okay.
But when you heard the story of Dawat-e-Ishq for the first time, what was your reaction to it? It looks pretty cool. The trailers and all are amazing. So,
you know, for me, the most important thing is when I read a script, it just has to be sweet and it just has to make sense as a film. So for me, it really did make sense, and I was like, okay, this is a film that I have to do.
What is the most special thing about this cute little love story that we have?
Exactly that. It's very cute. There's no one big issue that has to be resolved in the film, or there's no big drama in the film. You know, it's just a sweet film.
So what we've done is, we have this one guy here who's been waiting for the past 5 hours for you to come.
For what?
Yeah,
for
he's
me?
been waiting, yeah. So he has a question to ask you. So you...
Yes, come. Say hi to him, guys. He's saying, can he hug me? Aman. Say hi to Aman, guys.
My question for you is, according to you, what is the recipe of love?
His question is, according to me, what is the recipe for love? Obviously, I don't have the recipe. That's why I have no boy in my life. Oh, he's there. Okay. According to me, recipe for love, yeah, is a great guy. For me, has to be a great guy. I think all the flossy things of he should be tall, he should be good looking, he should be this, that, it all goes away. I just need a sensible guy, and I need somebody who loves me, yeah, honestly. Oh, he loves me. I also love him.
Chale, sir. Thank you. Okay, so as
You guys tell me, what is the one thing that you need from your spouse? Boyfriend or girlfriend? Say. Trust. Correct. And humor? Really? Not the only thing. What's the most important thing? Commitment. Yeah. Love is the most important thing. Food? तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड है इसलिए नहीं है.
So one person from there just said she wants a boyfriend like you.
One of your college mates has said she wants a boyfriend like me. अब मैं इसका क्या जवाब दूं? I have no words. You want a girlfriend like me? I am there. But boyfriend like me थोड़ा मुश्किल है.
She is ready for that also, ma'am. वो देखो. She's become pink thinking about it. Can we have some noise for Parinidhi Chopra, ladies and gentlemen?
Thank you, guys. But you should be spending Teachers' Day with your teacher. What are you doing here? Actually, even we used to be like this. Teachers' Day was the one day we used to think कि अच्छा आज शायद teachers से छुटकारा मिलेगा क्योंकि बाकी तो पूरा साल we are with our teachers. So I used to feel नहीं today is a holiday.
Okay, so in this movie we can see this movie is about food and a lot of things. कितना calories gain हुआ मैम इसमें?
बहुत ज़्यादा. Me, Aditya, Anupam sir, we all put on so much weight and came because in this scene we had to eat so much. In the film, of course, उसके अलावा lunch, dinner, breakfast. So it was just madness. We went mad.
And you said, you know, when you walked in, you said, I am the hero of the film and everything. So we want one dialogue, ma'am, from the film.
I am the hero because Aditya takes so much time to get ready. When he comes, you better rag him also, huh? This is ridiculous. How can a girl be ready before the guy?
एक
Aditya Roy Kapoor. To inform you, he'll be here in 2 minutes apparently.
So we want a dialogue also from you, from the movie.
What's the dialogue?
See, one thing's for sure, we know you because you have some amazing dialogues in all your movies. We know you because you have some amazing dialogues.
But this one I think is going to be very different because I'm not trying to be like Kadak or trying to make a statement. You know, I'm trying to be sweet in this film as a character, very docile, sweet, gentle, well-behaved girl. So no guns and no nothing coming out.
So how different is it from the real Parinidhi then?
Very different. Very different. I'm not a very gentle person. I'm a very enthusiastic person and very emotive person. So in the film, yeah, I'm not like this.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to play Shairana now. Can we have Shairana, please? And we want the audience to sing along with us.
Yeah. Whoever sings the loudest gets a prize.
Chopra. Okay, so firstly, before we get on to the film and everything, we're here because of this college festival called Via 14. So I'm going to ask you, the theme for this time is youth empowerment. So what exactly to you is the main funda for youth empowerment?
The main funda of youth empowerment is to, it's a very serious topic for right now, is to educate. And if you educate people and allow them to then follow their dreams and to allow people to follow what they love doing, that's all.
No, one second. I want to do something. 1 second. Just for my thrills. Only the girls scream for him. 1, 2, 3. This is fun.
I don't mind. Thank you very much.
Can we have all the guys make some noise for Pariniti? Okay, finally, serious topics aside, Davate Ishq, 19th September. How was the experience of working on Davate Ishq, firstly, to both of
The
you?
experience of working on Davate Ishq was very tough because we had to stop ourselves from eating food all the time. But are you guys going to watch it?
They're not listening to you.
No, I can't hear you. Are you watching Davate Ishq? Please watch. Yeah?
Sir, इतने लोग हैं, एक हफ्ते तक टिकट नहीं मिलने वाला है, sir.
अच्छी बात है.
First, ask Aditya why he was late.
Traffic! There's so much traffic and it rains. It's so very tough.
I told them you take time in hair and makeup.
What hair? There's nothing.
So, how was the experience working with Habib Faisal as a director? So,
Working with Habib Faisal was great. Yeah, he's a writer, director, and he's very clear about what he wants. He has a very kind of like open mind as well to listen to ideas. I don't think they have open minds right now to listen to me. Oh! Oh!
Don't fall. They fall in twice.
Oh, guys.
and you shot this thing. Okay.
The girls are enjoying themselves.
So tell us a little bit about your character from Ashiki 2. You've come to someone who's an utter romantic. So a little bit about your character.
I play a chef in the film,
Right, Salam?
but I don't know how to cook. Something serious is going on over there. Huh?
There's a fight or something going on. What's going on?
They just love both of you a bit too much.
Okay. So yeah, I play a chef in the movie. I don't know how to cook. I know.
Shut.
So I don't know how to cook, but I played a chef and hopefully it comes out well.
Yeah, we can see you shaved your hair also for it.
I shaved my hair. Guys, you like the look or what? This whole shaved look with the Raja Lama? Yeah, this is better? Okay, fine. I'll stick to it.
And how was the experience working with Pariniti Chopra?
Best experience.
I can't say anything else. You're very good.
Okay, now we know that
They
both
ask
of you.
them if they have any questions.
We know that both of you are playing an amazing couple on this thing. आपने ऐसा क्या लाइन यूज किया है मूवी में तो पता और
दो शामी दो शीख दो गोमा चारों दो गोला पे दो गुल्ली दो गुल्फी. I think she loves her food and I think that's what got her, you know. The fact that I can cook.
she was telling us earlier that you both of you put on a lot of weight having so much food.
Ridiculous amounts of weight. They were just eating throughout the film, but now we're on a diet and we're trying to like get back to normal. Hopefully.
You should ask them if they have any.
The crowd is it.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to play the song Davate Ishq. We want you to shake a leg for like.
Aditya is going to do this.
Yeah.
Come.
चलो Davate Ishq.
Guys, you all have to learn the step. I've forgotten my own steps.
You all have to sing, okay?
Yeah.
Woo!
So, एक बार अरे बाप रे
सर गलत गाना गाया सर चले चले सर नाचने का टाइम आ गया show. Please give them a huge round of applause. Okay.
I forgot the steps only on this song.
Okay, like for Pariniti, there was a guy waiting here for 5 hours. There's a similar girl right there, and when I entered, she said, I need to ask Aditya a question. So she's been waiting for 4 hours right here. Aye.
Hi, what's your name?
Ansi. Oh my god, I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you so much.
Can I help you?
So you have a question?
Now, what according to you is love? Define love. What according to you is love?
Does anyone know what love is? It's a very tough question. I'm learning as I grow, but I'm going to give a very Miss India answer right now. Love is everything, right? What is life without love? Without love of your parents and your family and your friends and hopefully eventually someone you find, no? What is love to you?
Beautiful.
Arey, how she It's a very simple answer. Yeah, so hopefully I'll find it someday.
Chale sir, you won the Miss India now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
So what we're going to do now is, finally, we're going to have the crowd here.
Flick it horizontally.
Okay, so we have some CDs.
We will have some.
Well, man,
All those who've already won cannot get another one. Woo! Careful. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Sir, यहाँ पे भी sir. आइए sir. Finally, what we're going to do is, we're going to do that. आइए Pariniti
Yes,
ma'am.
Tejas. These two tall boys.
Ismail!
परिणीति मैम का आधा ही फोटो ले लिया सर आपने. चलिए.
I'm too short for this
retake.
selfie. My eyes have come.
What happened?
My eyes.
One last retake. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for the cast.
Guys, when is the movie releasing? Are you going? Please go. It's a good movie. We have worked very hard for it. And Vayu, again to tell you, is from the 17th to the 20th of December. Thank you guys for waiting so much. Sorry for being late.
One last question.
Yes.
How does it feel coming back to college?
I never really went to college. No, it does feel good. It feels good. As long as I don't have to attend lectures, I'm not good at that.
Well, thank you very much. It was a pleasure having you guys
so much.
here.
Thanks a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, once
Thank you
again,
so much.
for Aditya Rai Kapoor and Pariniti Chopra.
Thank you.
Once again, we saw a lot of CDs.